Hey everyone, Quantum here. Do you want an always-on display like these? We're gonna find that out, but before that, please consider to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. What is always on display? What is AMOLED? Always on display is a smartphone feature that has the device continue to show limited information while the phone is asleep. It is widely available on Android handsets. AMOLED is a type of OLED diode that provides an increased refresh rate and has reduced power consumption, making it particularly suitable for portable electronic devices. If you have an AMOLED screen type, well, this app is good for you. Let's open the app. You will have lots of clock style choices. Number 1. Digital clock. You can choose by these digital clock choices. Choose one and set it as your default. And it will look like this. Number 2. Analog clock. You can choose any of these and change its color. Number 3. Emoji clock. Number 4. Image clock. You can choose any default image in the list. This one is my favorite, because you can choose your own gallery picture. You can choose image that's based on your favorite movies. You can also choose the picture of your crush. Number 5. Calendar clock. If you want to see the clock and calendar at the same time, you must choose this feature. Number 6. Edge clock. You can choose which side you want it to be placed. Last thing, go to settings and adjust the brightness level of your clock. And that's it, you now have an amazing always-on display clock. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and you can watch of my other customization videos on the last seconds of this videos. Thank you for watching. See you on my next one.